Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your TCL model number and whether it runs Android TV or Google TV, because that determines the method. Next, connect the TV to a stable Wi-Fi network. Use 5 GHz for speed when available. Sign into your Google account on another device now so you can approve any two-step verification quickly. Once done, power cycle the TV and router to clear temporary issues. This makes the following installation steps smoother and faster. You'll now install or enable Google services. If your TCL already lists Google Play in the apps, open it and sign in, then install Google apps you want. If Play Store is missing, go to Settings, Apps, and enable System Apps or Google Play services. This is common on some builds. For non-Google TV models, you may need to sideload APKs. Copy APKs to a USB or use the Downloader app. Only do this if you understand security implications. Finish by signing into Google on the TV and granting required permissions, then update all Google apps from the Play Store. Reboot the TV to let services initialize and test Google Assistant, Play Store access, and Chromecast casting. Try casting a short video to confirm. If something fails, clear the app cache for Play Store and Play services, reinstall those apps, and only then consider a factory reset. If two-step verification blocks sign-in, use your other device to approve access immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.